Hi, myself Sonali.
I'm Shinda.
I'm Sonali.
So the title of the project which we are supposed to do is the railway reservation system.
And the C++ concepts that we are going to use is classes and objects, some required functions, and inheritance concept. Let's see the program. So we have started a program with header file has include IOStream using directive namespace std. Then we declare a class of name train, and we have declared some class members of integer data type, that is number, seats 1, seat 2 and seat 3. Number is for train numbers, and seat 1, seat 2 and seat 3 is for total number of seats in each classes. So we will go for public. In public we have declared a constructor with some default values, and all these values are initialized to class members. Then we'll go for data method for getting the values for each class members. Then we have declared another class reservation here, which is the derived class of base class train, and inside this class we have declared some integer variables, that is booked 1, 2 and 3. These are the reserved seats in each classes. And in public we have declared some integer variable, and we have declared one constructor with some default values which are referred to class train, and the integer variable, that is the class member of reservation class, are assigned to 0.
Now we've declared the required functions which we want to use with this project. So first off, we've declared the function called book, then cancel and display status, each of type void and also with certain parameters required. Now first off, we've declared a function called book, which is referred to the class reservation. I've used a switch case in which in case 1, BKD1, which is the total number of seats under each class, is increased to a certain number, that is the total number of seats which you want to book. So it is equal as BKD plus num. So similarly for each case you do the same way. Next off we have I've called the function called cancel, which is also referred to the class reservation. I've used the same switch case in which the total number of seats is minus num, that is in order to cancel the seats which were already reserved. Next we go for the function called display status, also referred to the class reservation. The input is gotten from the user, and the input which is gotten is the train number. Next we declare an integer variable called val. Now this val is equal to the getter function which was declared earlier, and the output is given as val, that is the total number of seats which are available in each class, and BKD1, that is the total number of seats which were reserved in each class, and finally val minus BKD, that is the total number of seats which were cancelled after reservation. So this is done for each class. In this case we have 3 classes, so similarly we have 3 of these functions.
Finally we came to main function. In main function first I declared int variable num, and we are getting the input from user, and enter train number, and the following are number of seats in first class, in second class and third class. Then and this is a function called tr, and the type is reservation, and we are used some arguments, and I also declared some required variables. Then we are going to do we have used do while function loops. In here we are displaying the menu part, and the choice is given to the users, and this is a switch statement. In switch statement, and the first case is the tickets are booked, and in second case how many tickets are cancelled, and in third case and the final result will be displayed.
Now we'll go to the output. So in the output, as you can see, the train number is gotten from the user. So here I've given as 4112, and the total number of seats in each classes is displayed. So here I've given 30 for each class. Then finally the main menu is displayed. Now under main menu, the choice which I've given is 1, which is reservation, and it asks which class. So which class has the seats, and in which class you want to reserve tickets is the seats is asked. So in this case I have given 1. So under class 1 it asks how many seats, that is how many seats that I want to reserve out of 30 seats. So I have given 6. So and the 6 seats will be reserved. And here once again the main menu asks, I have given the option 2, in this case it is cancellation, and I given the same class as 1, and the number of seats that I require to get cancelled is 2. Finally, the main menu once again is displayed, and I have given the option 3, that is display status. So finally, the status of the ticket which you wanted to book is displayed along with the train number. So the total classes is 1, 2 and 3, that is total number 3, and the total number of seats in each class is 30 as given earlier, and the number of seats which are reserved I had given 6 earlier, and since I had cancelled 2 tickets, I get the total number of seats reserved as 4, and the other classes is 0, and the total number of seats which are unreserved, I get the complete number of seats in the classes 2 and 3 because I haven't booked any, and in the first class I get 26 because already I reserved those tickets. So this is our program, and thank you.
Thank you.